Feedly is a fantastic platform for customizing content, such as newspaper articles or blogs to your specific needs and interests. So upon login, your Feedly account is going to look like this. You're going to have the home site, which offers a bunch of different options. And then you have on the column, you have all your feeds, which is like boards, like in Pinterest, where you can keep your information topics separate from one another so they're not all combined in. So currently I only have one feed right now, and that's the social media marketing feed. And I have 4 different feeds on here right now, but I'm looking to add one more. Um, so I am very interested in national parks, so we're going to add a national park blog to my feed. I think that would be very helpful. So we're going to search with a hashtag because that's going to yield more results. Hashtag national parks. And there is, okay, cool, national parks travel. Let's see what this news source has. Oh, Shenandoah National Park closing in advance of Hurricane Florence. It looks like a really cool article. So we're gonna go ahead and bookmark that one, so we can see that one later. Perfect. Okay. So, but I also want to follow this one, so I can follow this, and then I'm going to go and click add. It's really important that you click add because otherwise I won't follow. And now it shows up that I followed National Parks Traveler. But say that I want to start a whole new area of research. All I have to do is go down to add content at the bottom, and we're going to do another search, do a journalism search, and I'm going to add some content that would really help me discover more information about how to become a better journalist. So in order for me to do that, I need to start a new feed. Do journalism and then create. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add journalism. It's really crucial that you make sure you actually add them, not just click follow. So we've got the Mailman Lab here. We are going to do Media Gazer, the Print Columbia Journalism Review, looks fantastic. The Online Journalism Blog, and Talking New Media. Perfect. Well, that is the introduction to how to start a Feedly, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and will benefit from Feedly in the future. Thank you.